Hello and welcome to the walkthrough for the Daily Telegraph price crossword on Saturday the 12th of August, number 30,377. 7 across. Ship overseas again, getting crew unlimited or wine. It's going to mean ship overseas again. Crew unlimited is without the outer letter, so that's re. Old is often X, isn't it? And the wine is going to be port, so it's going to be re-export. 8 across. Group of actors abandoned in extremes of emergency. So abandoned, you might have quit something if you abandoned it. And extremes of emergency, E and Y. That quit going in gives us equity, the actors union, equity cards and all that, if that's still a thing. 9 across. Issue when sentence overturned. Sentence to prison might be you're given time, overturn that. You get emit for issue. And 10 across. Taking legal action in favour of yielding we hear. So it's a you yield, you cede something, but it's a homophone, so it's proceeding with two E's for taking legal action. 11 across. Entertain kinky dames going round university, so it's going to be U for university with an anagram of dames going around. It gives us amused for entertained. 13 across. Methodically examine rough lane say. So say you might think it's a homophone, but it's not. It's actually an anagram of lane say, and it's going to be analyse. 14 across. Fashionable small cross put back with built within buildings. So fashionable something is in. S for small. A cross we've had before is a rude. Stick all that back. You get indoors for within building. And 16 across. Fast mover that sounds like a swindler. Easy homophone. This is going to be a cheater. 19 across. Brief stay of offspring, including day in Paris. So offspring is going to be a son. Day in Paris. So in French, day is jour, isn't it? So it's going to be jour going in. Son gives us a sojourn, a brief stay. 20 across. Some deficit in youths adopt customs of urban folk. It's in the words. Slightly odd word. Citify, to adopt the customs of urban folk. 21 across. Sadly, his mad idol. So anagram of is. Anagram of his mad idol, and it's going to be old maidish for primly fastidious. 22 across. Hide singular is going to be S, and relationship I think will be kin, and for skin for hide. And then piece of cake that might produce wind. So piece of cake is not actually cake, it's just saying something's easy, isn't it? That idiom. So it's going to be breeze. 24 freakishly rattier eye. So anagram of rattier eye. Provoke annoyance is irritate. That's the across. Let's do the down. Work on a ship. Main course. So it's main is in at sea. So it's going to be helmsman, I think. 2 go and live without Mrs. Finally. So live is exist. Mrs. Finally is asked. Get rid of that. Gives us exit for go. 3 down. Came first and halted, not second. So if you halted, you stopped, but get rid of the T. The second gives us topped. We topped the chart. She came first or whatever. 4 down. Turk's place to put feet up. It's going to be an ottoman. And 5 down. In chaos, use standby glad rags. So in chaos, the words use standby. Your glad rags could be your Sunday best. And 6 down. Attitude of holy person with the Northern Church. So holy person is a saint, S-T-A-N, and then church, in this case C-E, Church of England, because of stance for attitude. 8 down. Reportedly, I whip one in front of pupils. Quite like this one though. Whip is a lash. Reportedly, I in front of pupils of your eye. It's going to be eyelash. 12 down. Point out. Well, point out is you show something. Top could be a jumper, and that gives us show jumper for an equestrian. 15 down. Typical golf out in enormous trousers. This is in the words. Typical is going to be a routine. 17 down. Strikes a fine French officer with this, ignoring greeting. Okay, so A and then F for fine. A French officer, police officer, slang is a flic. I had to Google that. This, ignoring the greeting, is get rid of high from this. It's just TS. And that's going to be a flicks altogether for strikes. 18 down, discourteous military. So if you're not in the military, you're civilian. So if you are in the military, you could say you're uncivil or discourteous, uncivil. 19 down, regular payment. Sadly, is a loss going up. Railway, we know it's RY. That gives us salary for regular payment. 20 down, stick. That explosive is HE. Innermost part is a core. HE going in core gives us cohere for stick. And then the final one, glut of Malaysian food. So Malaysian food could be satay, that maybe. But glut, does that mean glut? Well, if you sate something, you have enough, but glut's more than enough. But I think that's more enough of a good answer for us to finish on. So there we go, another one done. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep on crossing. See you again soon.